they hear some appeals in front of 5 justices up in courtroom 2. The High Court has 7 judges, so 1 Chief Justice and then 6 other justices. So at the moment we're in a non-sitting week, which means they're not sitting on cases, but they're still working. So all the judges will be back in their home states. And like during this time, they'll be writing judgments from previous cases that have been heard. They'll be reading written submissions for future cases. And they'll also be doing some sort of like administrative work because the judges are together responsible for the administration of the court as like an institution. But yeah, in this room, they hear constitutional cases in front of all 7 justices, and they'll also hear appeals from all the state and territory Supreme Court Courts of Appeal, from the full court of the Federal Court of Australia, and the full court of Division 1 of the Federal Circuit and Family Court of Australia, which is the old Family Court of Australia. And so yeah, they will hear some of those appeals in this room in front of all 7 justices. They'll hear some appeals in front of 5 justices up in courtroom 2. And yeah, the High Court's the final court of appeal for Australia, so cases come here, and then that's, for the most part, the end of that case, if they come on appeal to this. So the Chief Justice, like, will sit with the other 6 justices in this court. He's not their boss, though. He just, like, sort of does more administrative work. So he, like, kind of manages the business of the court more. But it's really like a first among equals kind of position. It's not, yeah, he's not. I'm Matthew, so I'm one of the court guards here. So we have like a team that, yeah, takes school routes around, but also talks to general visitors about the work of the court and about this building. Justice Gordon here, she's the longest serving justice, other than the Chief Justice, who's actually been on the court for longer than her, but she's the longest serving sort of other justice. And then Beach Jones down the end there, he's the most recently appointed justice.